So hey guys, welcome to another video. It's not going to be the review on that Orosco fan, but I got a package from the mail today. Okay, I'm just making sure I didn't show address. So yes, I did rip it. There's already a hole now. Okay. So this is... I got two of these. They're called Belker Universal Power Cable. So what that is they're cables. They're power cables. So here's one. Yes, okay. So here's the other one. How do you open this one? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. This one's hard to open. So, this is what they look like. So, you got a bunch of different adapters. And you got a cord. These are $8 each. So, yeah. Let me go get the things that I need for these. So now I'm using it for these. Why? Because, well, I lost the thing. It's perfect. Just realized. Let's open the bag and see what tough things there are in here. So we got this one. We got this one. We got this one. We also got this one. We also have this one. We also have this one. I don't know what the colors mean, but yeah, I guess different sizes, huh? I guess so. We got this one. Oh, this one. This one. And then we also have this one. Which are different types. The green one's the same, right? Isn't it? Yeah, it's the same. But these should be $5, right? I don't know, but yeah. Let's see. Let's test them out real quick. Let's see. I should have a block coffee here. Yeah, I do. Oh yeah, 'cause I don't have one. Okay. So here it is. You can see. Well, I'm using it on a Honeywell fan. As you can see. Right. I'm recording it in a really weird way, so it's hard to see. 29 its voltage. Should be. That should be running on. So let's unplug it. And boom. Yeah. So I can also plug it into this fan, which has a different port. And I can show you how. Cause we got one of those ports. Boom. Now we got a port. And then we can plug in this one. and they're different ports because I plugged in another port. So yeah. So yeah, this is really good. So yeah, that's the review of the Belker universal power cable. It's really long though. It's longer than I can stretch my arms. So yeah.